So we're going to learn how to make mini Zen gardens today. Open our little supplies here. You're given nice white sand, your little container, a little moss ball, a little decorative polished rock here, your little rake, and some additional stones. Let's go ahead and pop open our sand. Pretty easy, just fill your container. The best way to kind of just get everything level is just kind of shake your container back and forth there. And so whether or not you want to create little patterns in your Zen garden now before you add your little decorative pieces, or whether you want to add everything now and then create your little design, completely up to you. So just kind of how I have it in this one, in our little demo. Just kind of place your items anywhere that you wish. I like to place my little white stones kind of all together. Like that. And then how I have it here, I just did some sort of little wavy lines. And you can use both sides of your little rake. I'm just going to create a smooth surface. And then just do a little relaxing design. Place your little decorative stone. You can kind of move stuff around however you like. So, thanks so much. Please send your pictures in to us through our email, ask@tadl.org, or tag us on Instagram or Facebook, Not Just Books, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.